Hello, friends, and welcome back to yet another exciting episode in Robin's School of Traders. Reliance has come up with a result, and the results are fantastic. And the good news is that it's come at right time at Diwali. So, very happy Diwali to Robin's School of Traders family and to all my viewers. Let's see, can we encash on the Monday's market result tomorrow with this information? Very simple. Reliance has come with a result, and results are fantastic. So. The headlines of any paper is they are saying the company has posted at 15 almost 16% year on year growth in the consolidated profit, and the PAT has moved to whopping 22,146 year. So that's a very market, it's beyond market expectation. So there are two verticals. One is your year on year growth, that's 16%, and PAT, that's profit after tax, has gone to 22,146 year. Let's see. Let's now dig down all the figures. If we dig down, this presentation is all about. This video is all about. We'll in three verticals. We'll look at the result. We'll do the segment wise, and we'll look at the key drivers and performance. If you see, this is the quarterly statement which I got from Skinner.com. If you see this, they've also the sale has also moved. They've got a good jump shift in sales from June to September. And prima facie, they are comparing all the analysis. They compare year on year basis. So right, if you see, that's net profit has also moved out right from 39 39,058 to 45,885. So that's a great thing. And what matters to a share market for us is the net profit. So net profits has almost moved out in the vicinity of 15.16%. So that's great news. Now, let's see what are the key drivers. Jio posted, this telecom sector has posted almost a year, revenue rose by 14%. That's a whopping year on basis, and PAT also saw 12%. This was all because of ARPU. ARPU is nothing but average revenue per user in Q2. It rose by whopping 211 rupees. That's a fair, that's a real key driver to any sector. You're getting a revenue growth of almost 211 rupees. In retail sector, thanks to the GST movement, so the and also festive season, the festive demand and GST rate cut has given a growth in this particular sector in the vicinity of 20%. That means in two verticals in Jio Telecom and Reliance, then they have gained in vicinity of more than 15% and 20% respectively. If you see Q2C business, the oil to chemical business revenue has been growth. That's not a huge growth, but that's a growth on all year on year basis, and the sales has also increased. So this chemical business also they've done a fantastic job. Now, if you see the oil and gas segment, which is the which contributes to the biggest chunk of their pie, the segment EBITDA declined by 5.4% on year-on basis with the margin contraction. The decline was driven by the lower revenue and a higher operating cost arise from periodic maintenance activity. So according to company, the revenue drop was only 2.6%, but that drop was negated by all three verticals. So this is the typical pie. If you see the Reliance communication pie, you can see you clearly understand the major chunks comes from refining and marketing, followed by organized retail, uh, petrochemicals, digital service, and others. So, Robin, with this information, I have simply plotted a weekly chart. So, what are these red lines and yellow, blue lines? Red lines are the Fibonacci's which are drawn in monthly time frame, and blue lines are Fibonacci which are drawn in the weekly time frame. So it's quite evident in weekly time frame that Reliance is making trying to breach this particular. If you simply draw a line, this will be some sort of W pattern. So if it able to reach this particular pattern, what is that neck? The neck is in the vicinity of 1416. So if it is able to sustain 1416, then as per the law, if this is the X, then you can get minimum 2x. So that means you can expect Reliance to reach this particular level and hit its all-time highest of 1556. So the law says something. If you are making a W pattern and this is the neck, if you're able to break the neck, suppose this is the X, this figure is X, there's a high probability you will get minimum 2x. So that is the law. but it's not a steep fall. So the first resistance which you can see in Reliance is 1455. It sustains there. Then I think plus looking at all the demographies and all the political scenario, plus all the sentiments, then we can see Reliance touching going back to his all-time high. So, guys, I'm sure you must have enjoyed the video, and with this small information, we can make money. And since Reliance has contributes 8% to our Nifty, so we can see the Nifty on a high rise. So Nifty will make a high rise. So guys, I'm sure you must have enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that whatever video I'm creating comes to you directly. Thank you.